When this was the B, you don't gotta force it. I just went shopping, I think I need more. These niggas my sons, but I shit got abortions. I've been finesse till I came up a fortune. I can't stop till I'm back in the portion. Married to money, we never divorced. Ain't chill by yourself, you gon' call reinforcements.
So boy, I'm back in another video, and today guys, we are going up to the girls and my ask them, yo, biggest red flag I've seen in a Jamaican man. So yo, make sure you like the video, watch the ad, subscribe, comment, turn notification bell. You see me, road to 4K dog, so you know what I say. Dog, I shoot him shot. The supersonic run.
Shanti. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel, It's Shanti, and follow me on my platform at It's_Shanti_.
So the question for today is, why biggest red flag you see in a Jamaican man?
Biggest red flag, most of them mean, and most of them they like Spain, especially for them children if them are Shana.
Shana, I'm RonDaGreat. So the question for today is, why biggest red flag you see in a Jamaican man?
When him too friendly.
Why you say that?
Because I don't want a man where...
You like friendly man?
No, I don't want him to talk to she and talk to she and talk about, oh, I just my friend.
Want a mean man.
Him for only nice to me, yeah.
So, me there with? Who me there with?
I just tell him I do something, Robert.
So Robert, why biggest red flag you see in a Jamaican woman? Red flag. Like we cut here, for you making a want them.
What repeat the question?
Why biggest, like, what something a girl do where you know, like you know, want them no more after that? Red flag?
Dead.
No man.
Dead.
Where?
Dead. On the grave.
Eh?
On the grave.
Yeah. Question for today is, why biggest red flag you see in a Jamaican man?
Is that when them answer the phone and walk away.
Side eye. The question for today is, why biggest red flag you find in a Jamaican man?
Them orin. I don't really know for this guy. Them. See if I did my friend Van now, probably I'll be the person I can talk off of him, but
side eye.
I don't really know. Can't judge everybody by the cover, so I'm not too know about
So you like your man?
I'm not know still. But personality do me though.
Oh, so you like personality in your man?
My son I like.
Cut it. Alright, so I'm here with
Maya.
Mali. Alright, so I'm RonDaGreat. So the question, alright, rate me from 1 to 10. Calm.
Yes, it's several. Yes,
Seven. So the question for today is, why biggest red flag you see in a Jamaican man?
When him too friendly.
Friendly.
Yeah.
You
see, when you have a boyfriend and him did friendly with a girl, right? And then all of a sudden them turn close friend, you know. Yeah, and him dey on one back call, and that is the biggest red flag. And him tell you don't worry about her.
side eye. Also, like when a man mean.
No, yeah? What you mean by? No, so. Yeah, me not a man now, you know. But still, him for mean and disgusting. You can be a gentleman, you know, but when the girl come off strong, you have to make sure no one says she need to brush off. Yeah.
Like you see one girl that walk come towards you, you put,
Yeah. What you do? Back up. Excuse me. You like, you smell stink. Get away.
Alright.
Yeah.
Do it, cut the video now. Oh, that's at the end of the video, guys. Make sure you like the video, subscribe, leave a comment, turn notification bell if you're new, just subscribe. Dog, you see me? It's been a long day, man. We've been on the road the whole entire day, so make sure you watch the ads them as well. So, peace out.
When this was the B, you don't gotta force it. I just went shopping, I think I need more. These niggas my sons, but I shit got abortions. I've been finesse till I came up a fortune. I can't stop till I'm back in the portion. Married to money, we never divorced. Ain't chill by yourself, you gon' call reinforcements.